Hello, guys! Festivals and weddings have just started knocking at the door, and so I bring to you two very easily recreatable outfit ideas with a makeup tutorial which perfectly goes with any outfit. So, without further ado, let's get into the video.
I'll be the light that keeps you warm in an unfamiliar
I will start
place.
preparing my
I
skin
will
for the
be
makeup by
there
applying aloe vera gel as a base.
waiting to take you
Here, I'm going with
home.
Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm going to apply this with a flat brush as shown.
We'll go underneath the sparks we glow. Take a chance, we don't have long. We'll be burning on and on.
Now I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer at the highest points of my face to enhance the features, and here I'm using a sponge in dabbing motion to blend everything well. And yes, now I look like a ghost. Haha.
We'll be burning on and
Now I'm setting my foundation with Maybelline V Face Duo Powder.
I'll be the light that leads you home when the world is
Also,
tumbling
I'm using the
down.
darker shade
I
from
will
the V
be
Face Duo
there
palette
on the
to contour my
breeze.
face as so.
I'll save you from it all. No. Through the fire we will go. Underneath the sparks we glow. Take a chance, we don't have long. We'll be
I'm using
burning
a brown eyeshadow to
on
define
and
my eyebrows. This is a very important step as this brightens up the face. For my eye look, I will start with a shimmering dark brown shade in the crease area, and I will use a long fluffy brush as shown to apply it.
we'll be burning on and on.
Once the crease area is done, I am going with a lighter shade on the eyelid and apply it in dabbing motion with a smaller brush as shown. Finally, the lighter bronze shade goes to the center of my eyelid, and I am using my ring finger to apply it. Also, the same shade goes to the inner corner of my eyes.
I'll be the light
Repeat
that
the same
keeps
eye
you
shades on the lower lash line in the
warm
same sequence.
in an
To complete my eye
unfamiliar
look, I will
place.
first go with
I
kajal
will
on the
be
waterline.
the
Following
guide
it will
leads
be
you
eyeliner on the eyelid, drawing a wing,
waiting to
and yes, of
take you
course, mascara to enhance it all in the end.
home. Through the fire we will go. Underneath the sparks we glow. Take a chance, we don't have long. We'll be burning on and on.
Then comes blush. I love, love, love pink cheeks, as you can see my happy face here. Here comes highlighter, which glams up your face on applying it as so. Red lips are always a yes for any event, and here I'm using Lakme Absolute Red Matte Lipstick. Put some highlighter with your finger on your lips. This makes your lips look plumpier.
I'll be the light that leads you home
Complete the look by spraying
when
NYX
the
Makeup Setting
world is
Spray. This
tumbling
melts down all
down.
the powdery thing on your face
The
and polishes the final
ground
look.
beneath your fall. I'll save you from it all. No. Through the fire we will go. Underneath the sparks we glow. Take a chance, we
Bronze eyes
don't
goes
have
perfectly with any
long.
outfit,
We'll be
irrespective of color
burning
and style.
on
And yes,
and
it's so fancy that it perfectly goes for festivals, weddings, and parties. For my first look, I'm wearing a red skirt. Borrowed my friend's black shirt, well, yes, it's a men's shirt, and accessorized the look with layered neck pleats. For the second look, I'm pairing the same skirt with a kurta and accessorize the look with fancy earrings. So this was it, guys. Bronze eyes and red lips can rock any event at its best. And yes, these two outfit ideas are very chic, not so traditional, not so western. Just brings in the perfect festive wedding balance in the look. I
Whenever
really
you
hope you
are
enjoyed
ready
watching
for
this video
me,
and love these looks I created. If yes, then please make sure you hit the like
I'll
button.
be the
And yes, if
light
you
that
haven't subscribed to
keeps
my
you
channel yet, then please hit the
warm.
red button down there and the bell next to it.
Breathing in
I will see you
love
soon in the next video. And until
memories,
then, this is
I
Sampriti
will
signing off. Bye
be
bye.
by